In a little glowing world, everything shines so bright. I can lose myself for hours, I can stay here all night. Voices drift around me like they're far away, but there's something in the room pulling at me today. A splash of red, a streak of blue, a laugh I wasn't listening to. There's more than a glow, more than a screen, more than the places I've already seen. A hand reaching out, a world coming through, and suddenly I'm here with you. Colors on the paper, flower in the air, little moments growing everywhere. Side by side the evening flows, funny how the smallest things can make your whole heart glow. Sun on my face, grass at my feet,